Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to show you how to teach a kid to drive an RC car. Now Chloe knows how to drive an RC car and she's going to share some tips on things that helped her. This is a brushed motor low-C Mini T. Now you want to get a brushed motor for a kid that's starting out because a brushless is way too much for a beginner. They're going to wreck it, tear it all to pieces. But what you want to do is get a hobby grade instead of a toy grade. That way you can get parts for it. Like this low-C Mini T, the Traxxas brushed vehicles are great. There's a lot of parts for those. The Arma vehicles are good. A lot of parts for those. But you want to make sure you get a brush motor. So let's get to the tips and tricks on how to teach a kid how to drive an RC car. Okay, so this is the gas. This is to go forward. You pull back. For the brakes, you push forward. It's also reverse. So if you already stopped, it's reversed. This is the steering. Left and right, left and right. You got that? I know you do. You've already done that before.
One thing that helped me was if you turn it sideways, you can move it left or right and back and forth.
That's a great tip, Chloe. A lot of times when new drivers hold it straight, they associate that with forward and backwards. So if they turn it sideways, they associate it right and left. It's just easy to remember until they get used to it. Good job. One of the first things that I'm going to have to tell you is, and Chloe had this problem big time, is when they get the control in their hand, the first thing they want to do is jerk the throttle back. One of the most important things is just to easy on the throttle, just ease on it. You don't have to drive full speed everywhere. It took me forever to get that through to her. And finally she's like, okay, I can drive half speed. This ain't so bad. She was all over the place. Another thing that I told Chloe to begin with is when she was driving the RC car, it was right and left when it's going away from her. But coming towards her, to imagine she's riding a bicycle and she's on the car and to turn left, she turns the opposite direction. It helped out quite a bit, didn't it? Mm-hmm. All right, so let's let her drive this thing. All right, Chloe, show us what you can do. That nice half throttle's way to go. Go. Thanks for watching this video, guys. We hope these tips helped you learn how to teach a kid how to drive an RC car. Remember, kids are the future of RC hobby, so enjoy your time out there with them. See ya.
See ya.
There's a lot of brush motors to choose from. Dummy, brush motors. When you teach a kid, you need to... Because teaching a kid how to drive an RC is better than torturing a kid with an RC.